Welcome everyone. I am Professor KV Kushare, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from MEP's Rajashree Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Okay, we discussing on the different types of budget, different types of plan, delegation, span of control. Okay, now next topic is matching woman needs with the job needs. Matching process, the return statement which included all the deleting about work to be performed by a worker is called as job description. The detailing could be in the form of nature of work, procedure, or method to carry the work, types of technology, times required to complete work, safety precaution. They are given a process means the what is the method are we using in any industry like a carry the work, types of technology, complete of work and safety precaution. Job description and finding people for performing these job both are different activities as both require different skill set. Third is for the purpose of matching, the person shall look for following two important factors. Why people work for you means जो भी वर्कर रहेगा वो वर्कर हमारे यहाँ काम क्यों करेगा और हमारे लिए क्यों काम करेगा, दैट इज़ द प्रोसेसिंग पार्ट. Why people work? Generally, people work from any organization because they need to learn the money, but money is not everything. Sometimes they can learn more money by doing other jobs. Improvement is factor can be lead to extreme satisfaction, which is also called as motivation. First thing is worker. जो भी वर्कर रहेगा जिधर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करेगा उसको फर्स्ट द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ मनी. Salary, it is the financial reward giving to the worker for doing assigned work using own skill. In addition to salary, the reward the like bonus, overtime allowances and organization, etc. And security, job security is the another aspect for the motivating people. Stable job and good work environment can be create feeling of job security among worker. Providing good work environment will avoid problem of sickness, industrial accident and forceful retirement, that is the security. Satisfaction means fulfillment of one's wishes, acceptation or needs. Status is the consideration which makes person who feel proud and wanting to do more in better way. It is a social and professional पोजीशन लाइक सपोज जो भी सुपरवाइज़र रहेगा उसका काम अच्छा होगा, उस जो भी उसका वर्क होगा वो अच्छा होगा तो उसको जो पोस्ट मिलेगी लाइक योर मैनेजर, दैट इज़ द प्रोफेशनल position and the status of this person. Why people work for you? The matching process defines the relationship between job description and matching people to the job. The matching process gives the answer of question that why people work for you. The man's needs must be satisfied by the job requirement. जो भी वर्कर रहेगा हमारे लिए काम क्यों करेगा, उसको जो उस काम के हिसाब से पैसा मिलेगा, रिक्वायरमेंट मिलेगी, जो भी पॉलिसी रहेगी उस पर जो सेटिस्फाई होगा, then these people also work for us or you. Then man's need, a man can only be stable in his job. It is satisfy his needs and developing needs due to upward movement in the hierarchical lead. The person must know hierarchy of needs while doing jobs and duties. Then according to Urban Maslow's, individuals are motivated by unsatisfied need. As each needs is significantly satisfied, its drive and force the next need to emerge. Maslow broken down the man's need into a 5 specified area: psychological needs, safety needs, social needs, belonging needs, social esteem needs, or self-actualization. There are different types of need of man's. First one is physiological needs. Psychological needs means Maslow's group are all physical needs necessary for maintaining basic human well-being. Human being cannot live without his psychological needs and always motivate themselves to satisfy their psychological need. They are the needs for basic amenities of life. Human being continuously motivate themselves till these needs will be satisfied. As soon as this need to satisfy, human being is no longer is a motivator. Then these are the basic needs such as foods, water, breathing, air, clothes, shelter, sleep. जो भी वर्कर रहेगा, जो भी पर्सन रहेगा, उसकी जो नीड्स रहते हैं उसमें फर्स्ट नीड में बताया कि उसकी फूड रहेगा, खाना रहेगा, पानी रहेगा, क्लॉथ, कपड़े, और उसको टाइम टू टाइम जो नींद का टाइम है वो पूरा मिलना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द नीड्स. द मैनेजमेंट सुपरवाइजर मस्ट प्रोवाइड suitable lunch break, rest break and sufficient wages suitable to the worker. जो भी टाइम रहेगा वर्क करते टाइम उसको लंच ब्रेक का टाइम देना चाहिए, रेस्ट टाइम देना चाहिए, कुछ हॉलीडे रहेगा हॉलीडे जो उसको मिलनी चाहिए। देन उसका जो सैलरी रहेगा वो पेमेंट रहेगा वो भी सफिशिएंट उसको मिलना चाहिए काम के हिसाब से। देन सेफ्टी नीड्स, दिस नीड्स इज included basic security, stability, protection, freedom from fear. Safety needs include physical, environment, and emotional safety and protection. A normal state exists for any individual to have all these needs generally satisfied. In these needs are satisfied when concentration in work, productivity, teamwork, or growth of organization increases. For example, job security, which safety is required for the worker or any person who is the job security, financial security, safe and work condition, protection from accident at workplace, family security, health security, and insurance. That is the different types of security in the safety needs. The management supervisor must provide suitable job security, retirement benefit, group insurance, and safe working condition. Then safety and security needs are about keeping us safe from harm. These needs included shelter, job security, health, and safe environment. If a person does not feel safe in any environment, they will seek to find the safety before the attempt to meet any higher level needs. That is, I am happy because I am safe. Okay. The social needs and belonging needs, after the physical and safety needs are satisfied and are no longer motivator, the needs for belonging and love emerge as a primary motivator. If these needs are satisfied, then organizational result are good teamwork, equal participation in all types of work, good team spirit, mutual respect for others, acknowledging appreciation by others, and the good work environment. Social needs include the needs for love, affection, family, care, belongingness, identification, friendship, etc. That is the different types of social needs. The management supervisor must create sense of teamwork by organizing team-based project and social event. Fourth one is the social esteem needs. Any individual must develop self-confidence and want to achieve status, reputation, fame and glory. जो पर्सन रहता है मैनेजर रहेगा उसके जो आगे जो टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट लेवल के लोग रहेंगे उनको जो रेपुटेशन चाहिए स्टेटस चाहिए वो मिलना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द स्टीम नीड्स. स्टीम नीड आर टू टाइप्स, इंटरनल स्टीम नीड्स और एक्सटर्नल नीड्स. इंटरनल नीड्स मीन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, जो भी पर्सन रहेगा उसको काम के हिसाब से सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मिलना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस, कॉम्पेंसेशन, अचीवमेंट और फ्रीडम. देन एक्सटर्नल स्टीम नीड मीन रिकॉग्नाइजेशन, पावर, स्टेटस. जो भी पोस्ट आपको कंपनी में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रहेगी उसका यूज़ करने के लायक वो पावर, स्टेटस, सोशल और कुछ लोगों को अटेंशन की और एडमिटेशन एक्सटर्नल नीड की ज़रूरत होती है. दैट इज़ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मैनेजमेंट सुपरवाइजर मस्ट रिकॉग्नाइज द अचीवमेंट ऑफ वर्कर so that they will feel value and appreciation. That is the social esteem needs point of internal or external. There are two different types of needs. Self-accusation need, assuming that all the supervises need in the hierarchy are satisfied, an individual feel needs to find himself. These include identify what you have the potential to become. It include the needs for growth and self-continent. It also include desire for gaining more knowledge, social service, creativity, and being a denoted higher level. Then maturity, where individual thinks about all the members and contribute more without any acceptation. Generally, people with low achievement needs prefer stability, security, predictability, repeatedness of work, low pressure of supervisor. While people with high achievement needs prefer autonomy, variety of work, frequent feedback from the stakeholder, challenging work, and complex work. That is the self-actualization needs. The chart are given the different types of needs. We discuss one by one. First one is self-actualization, then esteem needs like so awards, then third is like a love, belonging needs, and safety needs like home. Okay, and the psychological needs means a penalty of water, sleeping hours. Okay, and mentally stable. That is the different types of needs and different function of every needs for the process of needs. Okay, thank you so much.